Hi, welcome to my movie called Penumbra Episode 1, Let's Kill the Duck. So, traditionally, we could just sneak through the dog, behind the dog, yes, and he won't see us. Yes, that's quite easy. But, sometimes the dog can see us. Yeah. And we will run, and he will catch us. Don't matter how we run. Wait a minute. Where's the fucking dog? Ah, damn AI. Oh, here you are. So, I'm running. Yeah? I'm running. And, oh yeah. Here's the bite. And I'm still running, and I'm still running. And here's another bite. And I'm still running and... Fuck, I'm dead. There's no chance to run from the duck. Also, we can throw things into the dog, but he will fast awake. Fuck! And I don't like those things because sometimes you just won't find anything, or sometimes the things are just too breakable to kill a duck. And there's one thing that's irritating me in this game. Yes, the broomstick. The damn broomstick. I don't get it. Why we have this broomstick? We first find the pickaxe, and then they give us the broomstick. It's just idiotic. Must clean the floor with it, or what? Ugh. I just don't want to live with that game. It's irritating me and annoying me. Ah, let's die. For Allah! What the hell? I'm still alive? So let's get back to the final. We'll need a hammer or a pickaxe. With a pickaxe it will go faster. So, then we will need to find a duck. Yes, carefully. Fuck the duck, yeah. Then don't fuck him another one again too fast. Let him get up and run a little bit. But won't let him go too far from you, because he will run. And the duck is dead. Yeah. Die, motherfucker! Nice blood. Even with this fucking broomstick, there's some blood. I just don't get what the fuck? No blood? Damn! Oh, here's some blood. Die, motherfucker! Oof, it was a hard day. Let's eat some warm. Tasty, yummy, old, warm. Let's slice it. Damn physics. Must put it here. Yeah. Then let's slice it. Oh yeah. Must fry it. I like this one. There's many fun with it. Yeah. Hi. I'm a little worm.